How to use Pinterest for keyword research. If you want to rank number one here on YouTube for your keyword research for Pinterest, then you have to do some research first. So if you take, for example, go over here into the search bar on Pinterest and go to, so first let's go to all, so all pins. And so let's say, for example, if I was to choose how to lose weight. So those are all of the search that it returns for your keyword. So if you look, I'm gonna remove the moment you start to use, like for example, you seed keyword, for example, weight loss. So how to, and how to, I'm going to write how to lose. So you can see these are the number one searches that it returns. But like, what if you need, like I said, lots more of that? Because for you to rank, obviously, you're gonna have to have consider your board and different pins and stuff like that. So along the same topic itself. So what I'm using right now, and I can show you the result here first. This started a post, I think last month or so, back more here and Pinterest, and I just done this one probably about a few hours ago. So that's the new one here. This new post here, at least less than 4 hours now, I think. And as you can see so far, it has gained over, come on, gained over 785 people who seen it, and you can see the inbound clicks already. You know what I mean? So, and I'm using the power of this tool to do all of the keyword research, and the name of it is called Pin Inspector. So with Pin Inspector, what it does, as you can see, you have probably about four to six search query came back for example, weight loss. But let's say for this one here, I can just put in the seeded keyword, which is weight loss, and then this application will go out there and find all of the keyword research that humanly possible, which is put into Pinterest. So this can do, like I said, a massive amount of work for you in say less than a minute or so. So we're going to generate all of these keywords. So give it a minute. Yes, so now we're back. So you can see it says done below. And so far you can see it pulls back over 286 keywords. I mean, this would take you probably a good couple of hours for you to process all of this information if you was to go through the application and Pinterest to do all of these queries. So this done under, like I said, 30 seconds or less than that. So, and the beautiful thing about this application, it can sort the rank, because what you need is to get the top best, maybe one or two spot in terms of one or number two. So we're gonna go through, and you can see how it put all the number one keywords which are searching over on Pinterest in this nice column here. So you can just go through over here where keywords are, and then you have character count, and then word number of words that be used. So let's say we go back from the top. So yeah, if you was to be in the weight loss space, you can come inside here, for example, weight loss breakfast ideas, weight loss challenge that you can go through. So there's so much, like I said, ideas that you can literally walk away from into one niche, exactly weight loss, this one subtopic within the fitness. And you can stay right here. And like I said, these are all number ones. Look, all number ones. Even you can take a few number twos as well, because it's not bad, you know. And look, these are all gems that you can go out there and, like I said, make pins for, create board around and stuff like that, and start to drive back traffic to your website or whatever product or service you have out there, in terms of if you was into the space where weight loss is concerned. So this, like I said, I can add the link into the description. You guys can go ahead, grab yourself a copy, and I have the link itself. It can give you $20 off. So the application is for $67. So yeah, so that's the power of Pin Inspector. And like I say, it's quite easy. You come, you do your research yourself, you find whatever topic, and it does all the topics underneath the sun. So don't think it's just for certain topics only. It's every topic. So for example, I've done this one, like it says. I've done where's the other one? I do this one for the summer one, just to try out, and I see work. And I think there's a perfume one from Zara, which I done. Yeah, this one. And these are the type of information that is coming back. So, like I said, go ahead, get your copy, and make your keyword research more simpler and more easier. Go out there, crush it here on Pinterest. So, go back to my page, give me a follow over on my YouTube channel. And like I said, I will start to upload again every week on this channel. So, thank you very much and have a good day.